Hello everyone. In this video, we will be comparing the features and plans of two popular voice cloning softwares, ElevenLabs and Descript. Let's get started. ElevenLabs, powered by Resemble AI, offers a range of plans tailored to different needs. It offers a free plan that includes features like 3 custom voices, dubbing API access, and high-quality outputs. Their starter plan starts at $5 per month, offering basic features like voice cloning, audio editing, and dubbing. However, you can get 80% off on your first month. As you scale up to the Creator plan, priced at $22 per month, you unlock more advanced features such as larger model sizes, batch processing, and priority support. With ElevenLabs, you get precise voice cloning technology and a user-friendly interface, making it ideal for content creators and businesses alike. On the other hand, Descript integrates voice cloning into its comprehensive audio and video editing platform. You can access voice cloning option by going to the dashboard. Now, on the left sidebar, click on AI Speakers. Here, click on New Speaker and hit Confirm. Here you will see a small paragraph that you have to read in order to train the AI voice model. That's how you can clone your voice using Descript. Descript offers a variety of pricing plans tailored to different needs. They have a free plan that allows users to transcribe up to 1 hour of audio per month and offers basic editing features. The Creator plan, priced at $12 per month, allows users to transcribe 10 hours of audio. The Pro plan, priced at $24 per month, provides 30 hours of transcription, access to advanced editing tools, and voice cloning capabilities. For teams and businesses, they offer an enterprise plan with custom pricing for large organizations needing advanced customization and support. Whether you're an individual creator or part of a team, Descript has a plan suitable for your needs and budget. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific needs. If you're primarily focused on voice cloning and want precise customization options, ElevenLabs might be the better choice. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution with robust editing features alongside voice cloning, Descript could be the way to go. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Descript and ElevenLabs for free.